Are you having problems with your TikTok shop button missing and you want to be able to fix that? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into your TikTok app and then come to your homepage, as you can see. So go into your homepage, and now what you're going to do is to locate the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, we get to this page right here. Now what you're going to do is to click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now you should be taken here. We're going to scroll all the way down in here and click on reports a problem. So click right here. Just going to load here for us for just a second, and perfect. As you can see, we should now be taken here. So as you can see, there's actually a lot of options for us here to choose. You can check if there's creator tools, as you can see. If you can find the shop button in here, we can even search for, I'm going to search for shop right here. So just a second. And as you can see, no results found. So that means that I don't actually have the shop button enabled. Otherwise, I would get this report a problem option in here as well for the shop. So it must be a bug. Scroll all the way down in here. Click on submit a report. Now we're going to write like this. I am having a bug on my account. I am missing the shop button. I need this to be fixed. So this is exactly what you're going to write. I'm having a bug on my account. I am missing the shop button. I need this to be fixed. Now click on submit. Going to wait a couple of seconds for it to submit. And perfect. What you're going to do after that is to close your TikTok app, go into your app store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. Search for TikTok in here. Just going to search for TikTok. Then scroll down, click on TikTok, click on update if you get the update button in here. It's very important that you do click on that update button. And as you can see, I have to actually log into my account as well. So you need to probably log into your Apple ID account or your Google Play account if you haven't done so already, and then update your TikTok app. What will happen after that is that you can go back and try again and see if that issue has now been solved. If it's still not solved, then wait a couple of 1 to 2 business days basically for the TikTok support to see this, and hopefully after that this will be fixed for you.